Iberia Parish has been the home to this center for a long time. We have been their neighbors, we have been their partners, we work in the community, we live in the community, we do business in the community, and for us to bring these resources into the community and for the community to embrace the work of the center and the university through this award is rather special.
When I was interviewed for the job of director some 6-7 years ago, I couldn't find anything about the new Iberia Research Center. With me coming here, a lot of the work has sort of shifted from only work with the industry, pharmaceutical industry, to having NIH, Gates, DoD funded research, and that we can talk about. It really afforded us to really herald everything that we're doing here at New Iberia, and some of it has really some very unique capabilities, sort of highlighting not just the center but also the town for what it can offer and the possibilities that it offers to many people.
Our infrastructure allows us to do regulated studies in the safety arena for new therapeutics, new vaccines immediately prior to going into human clinical trials. For this particular project, we were able to do what we needed to do as fast as we could do it to be a very active participant in getting a vaccine into humans during this pandemic.
We never had the opportunity to close down or work from home. It's just not possible. We've gotten a lot more work to do. We've been able to power through, and so having this recognition after that is quite something for not just for us, but for all the employees that are working here and working pretty hard.
We're very proud of the recognition from the Chamber of Commerce for this award. Our employees did the above and beyond throughout this whole process. It was a very lengthy process. It means something different to each and every one of us. As for myself and many others, I lost a family member to COVID in basically less than 3 weeks. And through this whole process, the university allowed us to do what we do best, which is to function on our research, take care of our animals, make sure we did the best care we could for our animals, feeding, housing. We didn't miss a day. As much as a lot of people were faced with being at home, the university actually went virtual, and we kept working. We had to figure out how to work safely, to continue to do the best care and to do our research. There were no shortcuts taken. Everything was accelerated. I have never seen such a collaboration in industry. The world was coming together for a common purpose, and I'm so proud that our employees are getting this recognition.
The work that the New Iberia Research Center does in the area of biomedical research, in working with our private sector partners, in working with the National Institutes of Health and other federal agencies, positions us at the tip of the spear as we seek to transition from a Tier 2 to a Tier 1 research university. Their role in the development of the COVID-19 vaccine recently in working with Pfizer, BioNTec, and various other private sector partners is well known. But above and beyond that, the center has been doing work in this area for the past 25-30 years and has brought in and continues to bring significant resources and revenues to the university that have allowed us to continue our journey and growth toward a Research One university.
I have to say, this is as good as it gets. I mean, to be able to have an active role in something so important that's impacting all of our lives. Whenever we were able to schedule the vaccines on site for our staff, that was such a big deal for us. It was, yes, this is what we did. We had an active role in this. Just so very, very proud.